Now you can use generative AI with Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow has just announced OverFlow AI, which is the future of how we interact with Stack Overflow, which is the best resource if you are stuck with any programming problem. Stack Overflow has always been at the forefront of the innovation, and generative AI is no exception. So this new announcement of Overflow AI is not really meant to replace the Stack Overflow community, but to supplement it by generating more accurate results from the community discussions. So Stack Overflow is training their model, whichever it is, on the already present data set created by the community. If you want to be part of it, all you need to do is to go to stackoverflow.co/labs and then register your interest as you can see on your screen. I'm going to register my interest and then I will show you the real-time demo as how it works. Let me play a slight chunk of the demo which they have shared on their website, which I will drop the link in video description. So if you see this, all they are doing is they are going to just let me forward it a bit. Okay. So you just give your prompt there or question, and then it will give you the answer from their data set. You can also summarize it, and then you can also then engage in a conversation with Stack Overflow by using Overflow AI. Now let me register my interest. So just click here and then give your email address. So I'm going to give my email address, and then soon hopefully I will receive the email, and then I will go from there. So as soon as I get the confirmation, I will make another video on Overflow AI by playing around with different prompts. One more thing I wanted to tell you around this, which is really cool, is this Stack Overflow for VS Code. So there will be a plugin which I'll be installing on my VS Code, and from there you can engage with this Overflow AI and Stack Overflow in the perspective of Gen AI. You can also integrate it with Slack so that the Stack plus one Slack chatbot can get you generated solutions. There are also a lot of other features which are really good around this Overflow AI, such as you can have AI community discussion, which is a dedicated platform for AI ML discussions, and knowledge sharing will be launched soon. There will be also enhanced search for teams, um, because when you have Stack Overflow for Teams, if you're already using it, that will enable your users to find relevant answers very quickly. So I hope that you are also excited about it. As I said, I'll be making more videos around it as I get the access. Thanks for listening and watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.